episode 4 or my 4th video. What should I play? The Final Countdown, what I just played, Modded Doomspire, what I just played at the first 2 episodes, or Don't Press the Button, or maybe Destroy the Tower. I don't know, let's just play Don't Press the Button. Also, it's Wednesday, and it's, I don't know what time is it, 21:09:28.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
18. It's like around 5:50. Oh gosh, yes, that's. Put the green into the green block. And where's red? There's 30 seconds. Oh my gosh, they're gone. 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 Yellow there, green there, blue there, pink there. There's 15 seconds left. And 3, 2, 1.
Pizza!
Also, I played this for a while and stranded. Fine. They only give us 100 seconds! Oh wait, log collect. 90 seconds. It'll be faster if I do this. Log. Come on, 75 seconds! We don't have enough time. 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 Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Collect the log. Collect the log. Over there. 52 seconds. Oh my gosh. Ah! No, 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 no. There's 45 seconds. I'm wasting time. 43. 41. Log. Collect the log. 37 seconds. Oh. Let's go!
Matis, go to the other. Go to the other chair, Matis.
Played.
Go to the other chair.
Oh gosh, the thing is so loud. I'm gonna move to my room. I haven't played this game for over 7 months. 30 seconds!
Yummy.
The cake has been
Yummy, yummy,
made.
yummy,
Enjoy.
yummy, 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 yummy.
4. Okay. We can jump in this game. Oh my god. Why? At least I still keep my inventory when I Oh! What the Lava's rising. They only give us 30 seconds. Okay. 17, 16, 15, 13 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6! 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Oh my gosh. Go, 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 go. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Go, 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 go. Next ingredient. There's 45 seconds left. Go, go, get the milk, get the milk, get the milk. 40 seconds. 38. Oh, no. I'm just gonna get it. I'm just gonna get it. 33 seconds. 33 seconds. Come on, you have to do this 24 seconds. 22. 21 seconds left.
Well, you go there because you have assignments.
Assignments. Huh? Where's my mom?
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
Huh? Oh, speed run. Oh, it was easy. I need to beat this one first. 40 seconds. No! Not giving up. 30 seconds. Oh, wait. I could get that time in about 3, 2, 1.
Very close.
Building is burning. Nah, it's too late. It's too late.
What is your assignment?
Need to beat this first. Oh no. Don't fall in the holes.
You got already?
Jump to the window. Huh? Why does it only say 21? 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. I gotta end this. Wait. Huh? What? Dude!
Matis, how was the quiz?
It was good.
Good? Were you able to answer?
Yep.
Are you sure?
In Filipino, there was a test, and the front was pretty easy, but the back was so hard.
You said it was good. So what's the questions about the eye?
I don't know. I couldn't understand.
No, you couldn't understand daw ma. They're Filipino. What did you answer?
The front of the page was really easy, but the back was too hard.
What's in the front page?
It's just telling the teacher or everyone to ask like.
Come here, bit of purple here, bit.
Oh my.